What you say, Caleb? No, baby, don't. No, baby, don't. Baby, mama did that one. Don't do that one, baby. This place is a freaking mess. I don't even know what's going on over here. My husband gonna kill me. I've been just doing this the whole day. I painted this as well. This was white and I painted this gray. So yeah, I am trying to do the house up quite nice, but it's just way too much because it's 3 floors. So I've just done 1 staircase. Oh no, that's a lie. I did 2 staircases. I did this one and I did this one too. But yeah, this, I don't know, everything's just taking ages. So today what I'm hoping to do is transform these cupboards, because you see like these basically they rusted away a little bit and I had to replace the doors myself. This is why it's odd color, but it's only been like this for a day. So it isn't a big deal, but I've decided something else. Instead of getting new cupboards for these, what I'm gonna do instead is put floating shelves. So it's gonna be 1, 2 this way and 1, 2 this way. So this is what I'm planning to do, which is why I've taken everything out of the cupboards right now. So wish me luck, guys. And I know it looks like a shithole right now, but it will look great. Have faith, Maliha. So this is the work in progress. I've taken away the cupboards now. The mess is still here, yes. And look what I've put up. Yay! Yes, it's floating shelves and a bracket underneath. So it's going to be 2 this side, 2 this side, and 2 this side. Yes, been just painting continuously. Looks better than what it looked, definitely. Still quite a bit left though. So this side is done now. And I really like it because what I've done is I've put my spices on this end and, you know, just other food on the other end. The 4 shelves done right now, but another set of 2 is going in this area. It's just going to extend this one. So yeah, I really like it. So far so good. I'm going to put the rest of the pots and pans on top of this. Yes, okay. Okay, bite. Arr. And I need to paint this bit as well. I've painted a little bit of the ceiling white, but can you see the color difference? It's like brownie. So I've just painted the back of this wall as well. I might put a little bit of decoration on this side because this side I really wanted like my spices. So I might just decorate, put like maybe plant pots on top of this. But this definitely plates and dishes and yeah, whatever else. The next project is the island. What we're working on right now is to get like an island done in the middle. I picked up the cupboards and what I did is transferred it down. And this is from the cupboards that are taken from the wall, by the way. So just painting the inside, cleaning it out, and hopefully it will look semi okay. So this is the island right now, and now it's time to go and get ready for the cement. So when you sand everything down, then you just oh shit. Okay, so the cement sticks. Using this cement to mix. And then we're just gonna put it over this worktop area. This is 1 coat of the cement, and now we're gonna do 2 more coats. But I've DIY'd everything. I've taken the cupboards away. I've basically built this island from the cupboards I took off. This still isn't finished, but yeah, anyway. And this cement needs to be sanded completely as well, but it's fine. I'll do everything slowly. So yeah, but I really like it. It looks really cute. So I just looked at my phone and I shouldn't have because I'm really upset right now because I've been kind of following his whole journey for like over 2 years now, almost 3. Ali Banat passed away. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. He was someone who was diagnosed with cancer about 3 years ago and he was told he has 6 months to live. And mashallah, he's been doing so much charity work for the whole 3 years running. And subhanallah, they told him he had 6 months to live and he died today on the 29th of May. So it's very sad. It just makes you think that every single one of us are gonna go and return to Allah inevitably. So it's really sad. Isn't it, Caleb? Yeah. I hope inshallah Allah gives him Jannat al-Firdaus and widens his grave and inshallah gives sabr to his whole family, because it's such a difficult time for any loved ones to go through as well. Mashallah, he did so much in his life, and I was looking at a video of his, it's The Gift of Cancer, I think it is, and he was saying he wasn't in a good place in his life before he was diagnosed with cancer, so it made him change. So it puts things into perspective for everyone, because you feel like you're not really a good Muslim, or you would like to practice a little bit more. I know usually when we go through a difficult time it makes us change, but I hope Allah guides each and every one of us to be better people and better Muslims, inshallah. Anyways guys, yes Caleb, I'm so run down. Today I'm cooking butter chicken, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Okay, so I've set my ingredients up and I'm marinating the chicken right now. Now let me just break down to you. I will put in the description, but for the ingredients for this chicken you need about 500 grams chicken breast, depending on how many people you're cooking for, but I'm cooking for me, my husband and my son. So 500 gram chicken breast, boneless obviously. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. I need to still put it in. I haven't done it yet. I'm kind of peeling it right now. So a bit of salt to taste and oil to pan fry it. And then for the gravy, you need 6 tomatoes, 2 about roughly cut onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 50 grams of cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of kasoori methi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3 chillis, and when I say chillis I'm saying like the big thick ones, a bunch of coriander. You need 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 5 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon. I've put lemon in the chicken. I'm going to put a little bit of vinegar or lemon in the sauce as well. Salt to taste. Okay guys, when I just say like 1 teaspoon of salt. Hi Caleb, what are you doing? 1 teaspoon of salt. But yeah, this is for the gravy. Right now I need to go do some stuff. I'm going to mix the ginger and garlic in this now, mix it up, and then set it aside for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so bear that in mind. You need to do this and you need to fry it when it's marinated, but let me just do step by step here. So I've heated about half a cup of oil in the pan, and I've put the marinated chicken in, and I'm going to just fry this now, and then when it's fried I'll put it to the side. You set the chicken aside in a bowl, and then you begin with making the gravy. And you don't need to rinse this, just continue doing everything in the same oil. So basically I just told you guys, in the same pan add onions, spoonful of butter, and once the onions are cooked add some tomatoes and cashew nuts, whatever the hell you say. Anyways, basically continue to put these ingredients in. We'll wait till the onions get a little bit soft before putting the rest in. Okay, so I've just put the butter in as well, about 2 tablespoons. So I've put everything in, and now I'm going to just put the spices and everything else inside it. You put garlic paste, salt, the malt vinegar, sugar, garam masala powder and chili powder. You evenly mix it, and I've put about half a cup of water, and let it simmer for 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, this looks like a curry right now. It's just like a usual curry. But then what we're gonna do that you guys don't know is we're gonna blitz this. But like I said, let it simmer for 20 minutes. I think I'll put it on medium heat. Yeah, medium heat. Okay, I've blitzed this. Now I'm gonna put it through a sieve to get any big pieces out of it, because it's supposed to be completely smooth. You sieve this through, and don't leave really anything. Just put the whole thing in and sieve the whole thing through, so it's nice and smooth when it comes out. That's it. So this is completely strained now. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add butter, cream, chicken, and kasoori methi, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna just garnish it with coriander as well. I've added butter, cream, chicken, the kasoori methi, 1 big chili, and I've just quartered it, and I've scattered it with coriander as well. And when you serve it, If you're putting it in a pan, what I would do is just drizzle a little bit of double cream on top of it. It just looks quite nice. But this is what it's supposed to look like, guys. My one anyway. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Nummy. So that's Caleb's food done. And this is what I was saying with the cream. This is what you need to do with the cream. But yeah, me and my husband are gonna have it with rice, and I'm also making aubergine pakoras. I've just sliced aubergine, and the pakora mix is 1 cup of gram flour, which is chickpea flour, a handful of coriander, 2 chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. But just make a creamy paste out of the pakora. So it needs to be thick and creamy, and then coat whatever ingredient you want with the pakora mix. You could use chicken breast, you could use aubergines, potatoes, chilies, you name it, but that's the batter that you need. And this is the food done. Very nice. So I'm doing iftar today, and I'm so late for everything. Caleb's just chilling out. I wish I didn't use the brown tape, but it's okay. Anyways, I'm sweating like crazy. I'm doing it Ramadan Mubarak, baby. I'm doing an iftar for my friends, and I'm so last minute in everything. It's crazy. Need to set up the table. Okay. So on the menu is homemade samosas, my chicken cheese bakes with spaghetti that I'm still cooking, pakoras, cupcakes. I made Lahori chaat, and I made a banoffee pie as well. But yeah, no one's arrived yet. Still need to get stuff done. And I wanted to look kind of nice today because I haven't been looking nice the whole Ramadan, so. These are my little helpers, look! So it's time to break fast. Samosa chaat. So everybody's mains are ready. Wait, this is basically the main. Chef Maliha up in the building. So everybody break your fast. Caleb's like, oh, look at the ladies. So everyone liked the food.
Take the hold like Amelia's house.
What did you just say? What are you doing, Sidney?
Oh yeah, I was fixed.
So this is how we pray in my household. I just look like a big boogie.
Islamic me.
Look at this
One.
If you guys seen my Morocco vlogs, then you'd see my baby.
My 3 seconds of fame.
And shut up!
We're not friends. Like, I pay her.
Can I just say? She was like, where is? I was like, Caleb. Yeah. Caleb. Okay, bitch. Okay. Yeah. You don't see me.
You know I stop.
Yeah. Oh. The previous time I came to see Nafisa was when we watched Fantastic Beasts of Everything. We went to see Fantastic Beasts of Everything when we went to the cinema.
How old were you?
It was like a year ago. Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, I told you. I was like, Nafisa, do you want to go to see the Fantastic Beasts of Everything? She was like, yeah, let's go. And then we went. Yeah.
Do you know what? I've seen her once, yeah? Once since last Ramadan, and what it was for some use Mendi.
Yeah. You're just a flake.
And it wasn't even
basically,
wasn't even a meter.
Let me just say, I have Blakey as shit friends.
Yeah.
Flakes.
I'm flake too.
Okay, I'm flake too, yeah. We're just made for each other because we're a bunch of flakes, okay? And this guy picked up the pie.
Wait, all the pies.
Caleb ate all the pies. Look at his face. She gave Caleb.
It's called past 11 and she's given Caleb sugar.
That's the friend. These are my friends, okay? These are the things what they do. They cuss in front of my child. They effing blind in front of my child.
I don't swear.
Then they give them some chocolates. Do you know when you have your kids? I'm gonna give them so much sugar.
That's what like the aunties are supposed to do.
That's what Carlos do.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be the ones that they love and the ones that they come to when
Come here, baby.
Mama gives Caleb like Pepsi and everything.
Look, he's got a blue mouth.
Look what she's doing him again. Oh,
you ready?
My
you ready?
Goodness.
You ready?
Caleb, you need to go to bed. Caleb goes to bed like 7, 8 p.m.
Caleb!
It's like midnight.
No,
Caleb, can I have some, please?
No.
Can I have some?
Say no, sorry.
Can I have some? No.
Caleb, give some to Saima.
Say no, sorry. Caleb? Caleb,
If
can I have some?
if I pretend they're not here,
Can I
they
have
won't want
some?
any. No. Say
Yeah,
no.
I am
Say
for you. Yeah, he likes me.
no. Aw, thank you.
Oh, well done. Good
Give
boy.
Mummy the one off the floor.
You mother flipping.
Don't waste it.
Let's
Yeah,
keep
Kibby one, Bina one. Come on. Yeah. Simon one.
Some green.
Yeah. Simon one.
Yes, please.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
she really likes to be in there.
It's only because she opened the seat.
Yeah, she did, yeah.
Guys, don't be hating, okay?
This is why he's not asleep.
I'm tired of that. That's enough exercise, Loki. I'll sit down.
I know. Are you guys gonna put him to bed? I think we can end it right now, right, Simon?
It's been a good night.
Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog. So sleepy. I just wanna go to bed. What are you gonna be doing
I'm
tonight?
going to bed. I'm going to sleep.
I'm gonna pray and then I'm gonna go to sleep.
Yes.
See, I was testing you. I was testing you whether you say I'm gonna go pray, but
I didn't feel like to say it. It's just time. Everyone knows.
yeah, tell us. So yeah, gonna pray. Zaya's praying in the other room. Like she is so good. Like she didn't waste no time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be posting these very soon. I don't know what day that I've
Next
posted
Ramadan,
this.
2019.
Maybe next, yeah, maybe next Ramadan. I'll vote. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye, bye, guys. Bye. Bye. My baby's a going.